Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome if you're brand new. Great to have you all here. And this time we're here with a brand new review video for you because we're going to be talking about AquaFunded, which is one of the newer featured prop trading firms that are listed on our website. And they are one of the newer prop trading firms in the industry that are offering numerous attractive features to traders all across the globe. That said though, let's dive in and check them out in more depth and see exactly what it is they're offering to traders. As always, stick with us right until the end of the video because I do have a special discount code prepared for you all, but let's do it. All right, so we're over here on the AquaFunded website. So they are a relatively new prop trading firm established in October 2023, so hot off the press, fresh into the industry. But they are based in Dubai of the UAE. And they're providing two quite distinct funding programs, which we're going to dive into in a bit more depth. They've also developed quite good partnerships in terms of brokerage. So let's dive in and take a look at what they're actually offering to traders worldwide. So AquaFunded offers its traders two different programs to choose from. We have an industry standard two-step evaluation and a one-step evaluation. Let's begin with the two-phase and provides the opportunity to manage account sizes ranging from $10,000 up to $200,000. Phase 1 requiring a trader to reach a profit target of 8%, and you can't surpass your 5% daily or 8% maximum loss rules. Pretty standard there. When it comes to time limitations, you have no minimum or maximum trading day requirements during this phase. And to proceed to phase 2, you've just got to reach the profit target without breaching any of your loss limit rules. Phase 2, profit target of 4%. Once again, you can't surpass your 5% daily or 8% overall loss rules. And time limitations, again, you've got no minimum or maximum trading day requirements, meaning you can take your time throughout the process. And then to proceed to a fully funded status, you're just required to reach the 4% profit target without breaching your loss limit rules. Now, when you are awarded a funded account, which of course is the goal, no minimum withdrawal requirements. Always, you've got to respect your daily and overall loss rules, but you get your first payout 14 calendar days from the day you place your first position on your funded account, and they'll continue to be a bi-weekly payout system as well, which is nice in favor of the trader. And your profit split is going to be 90% based on the profit you make on your funded account. Now, the one phase evaluation, again, managing account sizes from $10,000 to $200,000, and with both programs looking to identify consistent traders who can be profitable and efficiently manage risk throughout this time just a one phase. So that phase requires a trader to reach a profit target of 9% while not surpassing the 3% daily or 6% overall trailing loss rule. Time limitations, once again, no minimum or maximum trading day requirements during the phase, but once you get to funded status or to get there, a 9% profit target without breaching your rules, your loss limit rules. Now, when you get through that phase, you're going to be awarded a funded account where you've got no minimum withdrawal requirements again, 3% daily loss and 6% overall loss rules cannot surpass, and you'll get the bi-weekly payouts 14 calendar days after your first position as well, and 90%, so looking good on the profit split side of things. As always, some of the key rules to keep in mind though, of course, the profit targets during the evaluation stage or stages, the maximum daily loss limit and the maximum trailing loss limit. And keep in mind though, no matter which funding program you choose, you are able to qualify for scaling if you meet a certain criteria, which is if a trader is profitable in the last 3 months with either an average return of 12% over the 3-month period or 4% return each month during that 3-month period, you become eligible for an account size increase equal to 30% of the initial account size. So get your hands on more capital as well. So what makes AquaFunded different from other prop firms that are out there? Well, they are new into the industry, so a lot is still yet to be seen. But in terms of what they're offering, they offer two unique account types. There's a one-step and a two-step, which generally favors most traders. They've got a lot of favorable features. I mean, the unlimited trading period, no minimum trading day requirements. You can get your hands on capital quickly in terms of payouts, high profit splits, scalability. So they tick a lot of the boxes there, but we will most certainly keep you updated as they go. But we're looking forward to giving you a bit of an overview about what people are saying so far a little later in the video. Now, is getting the funding actually realistic and getting capital, which is always essential to evaluate the achievability of the trading requirements when you consider a prop trading firm that would align with your style. While the company may appear attractive with a high percentage profit split on a highly funded account it decreases if they demand substantial monthly gains with minimum drawdowns, etc. And it becomes very difficult to be successful. But considering those factors, AquaFunded, we do recommend on what we've seen so far, since you do have the two funding programs to choose from, which both have very realistic trading objectives and conditions to qualify for payouts. Now, payment proof is another important part when any company is new into the industry. So 9th of October was their inception date in 2023, but they've already built a really large community of traders who've already started working with them before launching. It had a very hyped up launch. It was a big deal when they did come into the space, and that's why we're doing a video on them now. But they've also managed to surpass a milestone of over 50 fully funded traders within the first week of going live. So not a little bad statistic there. They've also developed a really good partnership with Purple Trading Seychelles as their broker, which them in themselves, they're more than just a broker. They provide favorable trading conditions and cutting edge technologies, which you love. And they establish a relationship where you can view them as your equal partner. They also believe in having success here throughout the different financial markets. And you can access MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So that shows the credibility they have behind them. Trading instruments, well, they with Purple Trading Seychelles, they allow you to trade fairly wide range. It's Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. You've got leverage ranging up to 1 to 100, depending on the trading instrument that you're trading. In terms of education and support, I think that's going to be something that they'll continue to work on. They do have a phenomenal trader dashboard. And as always, jump into Discord, Telegram, whatever any prop firm has, so you can really see more into behind the scenes of what's going on. But we have looked through the dashboard. It's very, very good. And so most certainly, I think the education side of things is growing, but they've got a lot on the website here too. And as always, do your own due diligence and see what you can find. But AquaFunded certainly looking after their traders that they've already got so far, and I anticipate that will continue to get better and better. And something we like to do on all our review videos is also have a look at some broader community perspective. Trustpilot, very reputable place to go and see some of this sentiment and feedback. Given AquaFunded is fairly new into the industry, they are still working with fairly limited reviews. However, they have a phenomenal score, and a lot of the feedback that I went through and had a look at was very, very positive, all by registered buyers as well. So go through and have a look. As always, do your own due diligence, but I did notice that people were notably praising the customer support. They had a lot of help there. And that's a really important part of any prop firm, is the support system that they have. And that's something that I particularly look for. But just go through and have a look. As always, do your due diligence, jump into Discords, jump into Telegrams. But overall, from what we can see so far, looks like AquaFunded is certainly off and running, and they're doing very well in the industry, considering how long they've been in here. Let's jump back over to the website and the homepage and just wrap this one up. As they continue to grow and we get more data and feedback, we will certainly do an updated review. But the point of this one was just to briefly go over it, let you take a look into what AquaFunded is doing. And really, from what we can see so far, they're providing a very good opportunity for traders. And really, if anyone is looking for a reputable prop trading firm that's already built a reputation very quickly, can be part of something innovative potentially, certainly the conditions they have there are very favorable for traders of all different styles, from beginner to advanced. So look, they've got our tick of approval. So far, so good. As always, we'll keep you updated, but that's a little bit of an overview of AquaFunded. Well, that is what I have for you on this video regarding AquaFunded. Hopefully you found it enjoyable and informative. And if you did, as always, make sure you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and our other social media pages, so that way you don't miss a thing regarding the proprietary trading firm industry. Also, as promised, don't forget to check the link below and you can get your hands on the discount code for AquaFunded. Just another perk of watching the videos. But it's great to have you here as always, guys. Happy trading, successful trading. Take care in the meantime, and I'll see you on the next one.